dear student, myself Dr. Surekha Jaiswal, Head Department of Physics, Moreshwar Arts Science and Commerce College, Bokadran. Today we will discuss about the non-conventional energy sources, course code number PHY 306, paper number 20, semester 6. Now, today's topics are wind energy, terms and definition, type of wind turbines, generator, unit, monoblade, HAWT. Wind energy is the form of solar energy which is produced because of the uneven heating of the earth by the sun. Wind energy is the renewable energy and it helps to keep the environment clean. Wind energy can be used for selling. Wind energy can be used for selling, grinding grains, also that is used for electricity generation, etc. Wind energy converted into electrical energy by the wind turbine of a wind power plant. Unlike fans, turbines use the wind and generate electricity. The hub and blades are called turbine. Seen figure. Or also called rotor. Behind the turbine, there is a engine house called as nacelle. Seen figure. Now, nacelle is mount on tower to get more energy. The windmill causes the blades to rotate. Due to this, rotator starts moving as the rotor is connected to the main shaft. It spins the generator, because of which electricity is produced, and this electricity can be transferred by using transmission or distribution lines to homes, industries, schools, and hospitals, etc. In the continuous search of clean, safe, and renewable energy source, wind power is certainly one of the most attractive solutions. Wind power was used earlier for several centuries for propelling ships, driving windmills, pumping water, irrigating fields, and numerous other purposes. These are the uses of wind energy. The exploration of plenty of cheap fossil fuels and development of internal combination engines have led to the wind power being gradually replaced by other energy sources during the first half of 20th century. The oil crisis of 1973, together with environmental consequence, has however renewed the interest in the wind power all over the world. Wind energy is one of the important renewable. During 1970 and 1980, Data regarding wind energy resource has been collected from various sites. During 1980, various type of prototype wind turbine generator have been built. In commercial production of wind turbine generator has commenced. Several wind farms have been installed, particularly in Canada, Denmark, Netherlands, Sweden, UK, and USA, Germany, India, etc. By 1990, wind energy to electrical energy has become economically competitive in areas of favorable wind. For example, Gujarat, Tamil Nadu, and wind electrical energy system are now on the forefront of renewable utilization projects sponsored by the Department of Non-Conventional Renewable Energy DNRE. Several wind turbine generators have been installed throughout the world. Unit rating of wind turbine generator cover a wide range from zero point 0.5 kilowatt to 14 kilowatt. The broad classification is a very small, zero point 0.5 to 1 kilowatt, small 1 to 15 kilowatt, medium 15 to 200 kilowatt, large 250 to 1000 kilowatt, and very large, that is 1000 kilowatt to 600 kilowatt. Single wind turbine generators rated 14 megawatt are under development. 1990, in India, wind farms are operating in Tamil Nadu and Gujarat. Since 1989, several new projects totaling 500 megawatt are at various stages of execution. Wind farm. Now see some term and definition. Wind farm, wind energy park. A zone comprising several wind turbine generator units, electrical and mechanical auxiliaries, substation, control room, etc. Wind farms are located in areas having continuous favorable wind. Such locations are on shore or offshore, away from cities and forests. Wind turbine generator unit, an assembly of a wind turbine, gear chain, electrical generator, associated civil works and auxiliaries. Wind turbine, aeroturbine, wind machine. A machine which converts wind power into rotary mechanical power. A wind turbine has aerofoil blades mounted on the rotor. The wind drives the rotor and produces rotary mechanical energy. Vertical axis wind turbines, VAWT. When the axis of rotation is perpendicular to the air stream, that is vertical, the turbine is said to be vertical axis wind turbine. The blades rotates around a vertical axis. Horizontal axis wind turbine. When the axis of rotation is parallel to the air stream, that is horizontal, the turbine is said to be horizontal axis wind turbine. The blades rotate around a horizontal axis. Propeller type design has a rotator like the rotor of an aircraft. Propeller type horizontal axis wind turbine has one or two or three blades mounted on a hub. Propeller wheel. Revolving shaft with blades. The blades are set at an angle and twisted like thread of a screw. Windmill. The machinery driven by the wind acting upon sails, used chiefly in flat districts for grinding of corn, pumping of water, etc. Type of wind turbine generator unit. Wind turbine generator unit consists of the following major sub assemblies. First, a wind turbine with vertical axis or horizontal axis. Second, gear chain. Third, an electrical generator, synchronous or asynchronous induction, and associated civil work, electrical and mechanical auxiliaries, control panels, etc. The wind turbine generator unit convert wind power into electrical power. The rating of a wind turbine units range between 15 kilowatt to 14 megawatt. The propeller type horizontal axis wind turbine has a central shaft with hub and a propeller, that is wheel. The shaft is mounted on two bearings. The propeller wheel has a few blades with aerofoil. The wind passes through the propeller and gives a circumferential force, torque, and axial thrust. The torque is responsible for converting wind power to rotary mechanical power, and the mechanical design of the wind turbine generator unit, Nestle, tower, etc., should be strong enough to withstand the axial thrust during worse winds, and the wind turbine gears and generator together form a unit. Several identical units are installed in a wind farm. The total electrical power produced by the wind farm is fed into the distribution network or stand-alone electrical load. Horizontal axis wind turbine generator unit HAWT are manufactured very widely. The three blade version is the most popular all over the world for unit rating from 15 kilowatt to 3 megawatt. Vertical axis wind turbine generator units VAWT are built commercially by a few manufacturers. Two types of design are commercially successful. Darius wind turbine with configuration, VAWT with H configuration, very large vertical axis Darius wind turbine with unit rating 4 megawatt have been successfully built. Large vertical axis Darius turbine with unit rating of 10 megawatt and 14 megawatt are under development. The rotor blade of horizontal and vertical wind turbine are designed on aerodynamic principle. The profile is similar to that of the fan blades. The root of each blade is fixed on the hub, and the blade is in a plane perpendicular to the axis of the hub. The profile has a gradual inclination against the plane of blades such that the wind glides over the profile and pushes the blade in desired directions. monoblade HAWT. Some European manufacturers are marketing the monoblade horizontal axis wind turbine generator units of lower power range 15 kilowatt to 50 kilowatt. The monoblade wind turbines have lighter rotor and are therefore favorably priced. Smallest monoblade design are of 15 kilowatt to 30 kilowatt unit rating. These may be used in wind parks or individually for water pumping, battery recharging, power supply system for remote installation. Monoblade wind turbine can be equipped with synchronous generator or an asynchronous generator. It can be operated as a stand alone unit or with grid connection. Monoblade wind turbine blades generally pitch control. The downwind design are preferred. Wind vans are used for orientation to the direction of wind. Due to lightweight, the installation and dismantling are easy. Blade length are in the range of 15 meter to 25 meter. Most heights are in the range of 30 meter and 60 meter. Monoblade design experience minimum stress on the bearing and gears. Design are aerodynamically optimized with high tip speed wind speed ratio. Blades are made up of metal, glass, reinforced plastics, laminated wood, composite carbon fiber, fiberglass, etc. To obtain light, economical, and strong design service, life is of about 30 years. Now figure shows the monoblade horizontal axis propeller type wind turbine generator unit, that is as shown in figure. Single blade designs seem to have lesser scope in higher rating. Two blade and three blade design are preferred for harnessing more power. The advantages of monoblade HAWT: simple and lighter construction, favorable price, easy to install and maintain. Air possessing by simple wind vans, no need of complex hydraulic mechanism. The disadvantage of monoblade HAWT: tethering control necessary for higher loads, not suitable for higher power rating. Applications: field irrigation, seawater desalination plants, electric power supply for farms and remote loads. These are the application of monoblade HAWT, that is in the field irrigation, that is most important application.